Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this simple video, I'm going to show you how you can adding background to your clips in the CapCut PC apps. Alright, so for example, I have one photo here and I'm going to add the background. So how to just select cutout to remove the background, and I think for this kind of the clip you have to select auto cutout. Okay, so you can see the background has been removed and you can add the new background. How to just select um, images, or you can select basic and select the canvas. You can apply canvas. For example, select color. Okay, or you can select style, or you can select image and make it as an overlay. Move up, merge it, and you can adjust for the scale. So that's it. So here we go. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done it already. So thank you so much for watching.